Hello everyone. Today I'm showing one of the many samples I have that I genuinely don't need, but I got them all in a trade, so that's why I have a lot. I got this from Christopher S. along with a lot of other doorbells. This came from the Castle. Here it is up close. There's nothing really like crazy about it. It's just a normal Red Eyeball Doorbell. There's no date on it. There's the item number, and then it was originally $9.95. It takes 3 AAA batteries like any other doorbell. There's really no differences at all, so there's nothing really like special about it, but it's still cool to have. I guess I'll play it now for you guys. But yeah, that's about it. It does that sometimes. I don't know why. But yeah, with that being said, that was one of the sample Red Eyeball Doorbells. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.